At Inspiroz, we believe that every student deserves access to quality education. We understand the importance of technology in today's education landscape. That's why we provide comprehensive IT support and maintenance services to charter schools, ensuring that technology never gets in the way of learning. Our team of experienced professionals works tirelessly to keep your school's networks, devices, and software systems running smoothly. With our support, teachers can focus on what they do best, teaching. And administrators can streamline their administrative tasks, knowing that their systems are in good hands. And most importantly, students can stay connected, learning and growing in a technology-driven world. So don't let technology get in the way of education. Let us take care of your IT needs, so you can focus on what matters most, your students. Make Inspiroz your trusted IT partner. Our team of IT professionals has years of experience working with various schools and educational institutions, providing you with the necessary expertise to keep your systems running efficiently. Our IT services are proactive, which means we detect and fix issues before they cause major problems. This helps schools avoid costly downtime and ensures a reliable and stable IT environment. As a trusted provider, we ensure that your school's data is secure and backed up regularly. We implement robust security measures to prevent data breaches, and we can help you recover lost data in case of a disaster. As your school grows, so do your IT needs. Our services are scalable, meaning we can adapt to your changing needs and support you as you expand. Let us take care of your IT needs, so you can focus on providing quality education to your students while we take care of your technology needs.